bored with that. I really can't. Dangerous stuff for me. Again, that's another clear round for the red corner because they've both thrown plenty of punches there, but Motochiev, I feel, is significantly outlasted Rakhimov there. But you just look at these exchanges, these arguments, if you like. There's one of them who's having the final say, who's getting the last word, and it's the fighter in red pretty much every time, particularly with that left hook down to the body, that left hook up to the head. Petulance there either. I think he genuinely just forgot, because at the end of the bout you don't normally have that, do you? It can be different how you present medals. They can have a bit of a delay and they all get their tracksuits on and they come out on the podium and all that kind of thing. There was anything in that necessarily, but it is a head scratcher, that fight, for me in terms of the judging, because I didn't think it was hard to score. I didn't think it was hard to score. I really didn't. And you can see at the end there that the red corner, particularly the fighter, he just couldn't confident that he wasn't really going to get the rewards. But in the blue corner, representing Tajikistan, Husravхон Raҳимov.
So nice to see that respect between the two boxers after the 3-minute round, and the fans of Husravхон Raҳimov absolutely ecstatic here at the Dubai Duty-Free Tennis Center. Elimination at the semi-final stage for Motochiev, but going through to the final.